This is what's going to make this snowfall problem that we've got on the way. We've got this old, nasty, crusty, solid blanket of snow, if you will, on the ground. And what we're going to do is pour a very light, fluffy, powdery snow right on top of it. And since it's so light and since this crust is so hard, it's just going to blow everywhere just like that. And I just made a mess, but you get the idea. It's so light and powdery that it will blow literally everywhere with this crust we've got on the ground. So bottom line is that the visibility will go downhill, and also there'll be a lot of blowing and drifting with this snowfall event. Now, you can see the wall of snow here in central Illinois with precision, and you look at this and you say, boy, it's getting really close. I mean, it's going to snow here in the next 2 to 3 hours. What I'm thinking right now is 10 o'clock on, we're fair game for this snow to move in. And it's a pretty big area of snow, so it will snow through most of the overnight. And it looks like the heaviest band will be about 4 a.m. to 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. It may come down an inch an hour at times. And already, check out these little greens and blues here. This is Gulf moisture just beginning to surge northward, and it will help to feed the system. You can already see the Gulf moisture from Brownsville to Corpus Christi moving north, and that'll help the snow to blossom and really fill in. And already you can see some of the snowfall accumulation. Here's our viewing area. Already accumulation in western Illinois, and we've had upwards of 4 inches over parts of Iowa, even near the Kansas City area. Now let's go to 3D, and another good topic other than the blowing snow and the drifting and the accumulation are the animals, because it will get brutally cold this weekend, so farm animals and pets alike, this is going to be rough. Keep an eye on those. Winter storm approaching, snow, 10 o'clock on for fair game, heaviest 4 to 11 a.m. It will be dry and fluffy. The winds will really kick up Thursday night and Friday and blow the snow around especially. And again, temperatures will be low, well below zero on Saturday night. 1 a.m. on Futurecast, there's the snow overspreading at least the western half of the viewing area, and snow will continue into the overnight. Dark blues, that's the heaviest snow, 4 to 11 a.m. It will still snow after 11 a.m. tomorrow, but it won't be as heavy. The winds will be a little breezy at times, and the higher winds kick in tomorrow night, blow the snow around everywhere, with some light snow still falling at that time before it gradually tapers down on Friday, and then the lake effect kicks in. But by early Friday morning, 6 to 8 inches will be over our northwest county. Since the low's tracking a little farther north, 6 to 8 inches, Remington, Kentland, all the way up towards Morocco. 4 to 6 for everyone else, Peru, Lafayette, Attica, Vedersburg, and Monticello. Then behind the system, we're talking lake effect, 2 to 6 inches, Logansport and northeastward, 1 to 2, Tipton, Monticello. Also here near Michigantown and Frankfort, all the way up to near Remington, an inch or less, Fowler, all the way to Crawfordsville. So here's an overview of this system as it tracks through the Midwest. You can see the 4 to 6 inches over most of our area. Now, Indianapolis area, southward, there'll be less. There'll be 2 to 4. Up towards Chicago, we're talking upwards of 11 inches in places, and there you see the 6 to 8 in our northwest county. So tonight, though, 17, snow developing, 10 o'clock on, and we'll have the snow tomorrow, heaviest between 4 and 11. 23, but then falling in the afternoon, and it becomes especially windy tomorrow night. Notice winds gusting over 30 miles an hour at times tomorrow night, and then a lot of lake effect Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And if we can break the clouds up enough on Saturday night, as low as 8 below zero, and then another little snow system with some accumulation